Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you will design a thumbnail for your video. So there's a website, Canva. So you can write Canva in the Google. Okay. And this is the website, Canva. So what you will do, you will click on create a design. So there are a lot of options like presentation, YouTube video. So you will click on the YouTube thumbnail. It's very easy. Okay. And once it will be opened, so what you will do, there are many templates available. The templates, suppose I'm going to choose this one. So you can choose this template, how to earn money online. So depending upon your need and your topic of the video, so you can change this and you can edit this. Just like I'm going to edit this, how to design thumbnail. How to design thumbnail for YouTube video. So let me change this thumbnail for YouTube video. So it's very, very easy for YouTube video. Okay. So this is the way how you will design a thumbnail. You can also, if you want to change the color of this background color, so you can change from here, background color, like this. It's up to your choice. Like this. You want to add some other color. These are some other colors. Okay. Or you, if you want to add some other things like some other elements. So let me show you, like YouTube icon. So you can also add YouTube icon from here, from photos, from. So these are some of the other options. If you want to add subscribe button, if you want to add some other buttons, okay. So you have a lot of options. If you want to add some other things, or you want to change the color of your writing, okay, so it's up to you. So let me change this color. I think this one will be perfect for this. Okay. If you want to change this, and if you want to put your own picture, so you can delete this and you can add another picture. Or you can, if you want to add another picture like surprising picture. So there will be a lot of options in front of you here. So you can choose from this. I am going to choose this. There are many other options. So you can explore this. So this is the way how you will design a thumbnail for your video. So if you have any question, so you can ask in the comment section and I will guide you. Thank you so much.